When they performed once, they were kind of warming up the crowd before an Ireland match a long time ago, and I was doing the warm-up, and I remember A Crazy World come on, and it just, there's something about it, it just, because normally you're in the zone and you can't concentrate, and this song just come on, I started tapping away.
What did you start doing?
I was meant to be in the middle of a drill, and I remember Paul O'Connor come over and hit me a dunk, and you concentrate. But that's just the ability. When the song came on, it just transported you to somewhere else, and I think they've inspired so many people.
Yeah.
It's almost a national anthem.
It's amazing what it
But
does.
he said to me off air once, he said, I think we're a hex on the Dubs. He said, every time we play half-time at Croke Park, they either lose or draw.
I'm surprised you still followed them if that was the case.
I said, never choke. I'll tell you a really funny story, though, and I only thought of it last night, because, like, whenever I met Christy, the first thing he always asked me was, how's Jenny?
Yeah.
Always did. Very thoughtful, very caring. Billy the same, Alan and Joey the very same too. But in the late 90s, Damien Corliss wrote a book about Aslan. And they were launching it in Lilies. Well, they should, because they lived there.
Yeah.
So I went along to the book launch, and they gave me a copy of the book, and I said, lads, listen, whatever about me being a fan, my brother's an even bigger fan.
Yeah.
Pretty Thing was and still is one of his favourite songs. And I said, could you write something to him in the book? And they said, oh. And I could see the divilment in their eyes. They're from Finglas and Ballymore. I'm from Edenmore. We're all Northside Dubliners. And Christy just said, oh, yeah, give us that book. Yeah, no problem. We'll sign that for you. And then they handed it back to me and opened it up. And I went, you shower up. And now, pardon the language, get the kids out of the room.
It's Martin King.
And they wrote, to Paul, your brother's only a bollocks. Aslan.
It rhymes with Rolex. There we go.
You didn't say anything.
Smith.
Thanks, lads. But that was Christy. And that was his sense of humour.
Listen,
are you hiding there?
Listen, that was the divilment of them, wasn't it?
That was the divilment.
That was what made them special. Thank you guys so much.
Do you know what the shame is? That clip that we showed, the last time we ever performed live on TV was on the 6 o'clock
I know.
show.
Yeah.
And the shame is we will never get to see that again.
It's
we'll never get to see them live. But if you get a chance, Made in Dublin, if you get a copy of it, get it.